Hello everyone, while continuing natural resources, today we will talk about the exercise and questions that are given at the end of the chapter. So let's begin. Question number first says, why is the atmosphere essential for life? As we have seen earlier, the role of atmosphere. The atmosphere is essential for life as it works as blanket to protect us from harmful radiation coming from the sun. It also controls the average temperature in the atmosphere during day, night and even throughout the year. Next is composition of air in atmosphere also play important role, as air is the mixture of different type of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, argon, etc. So these gases are important for the survival of living organisms on the earth. So this composition of air in atmosphere is important as oxygen is important to all life, that is living organism, for process of respiration, and carbon dioxide is important as the plants utilize carbon dioxide for the process of photosynthesis. The next question is, why is water essential for life? So water is essential for life. Water is important for the all cellular activities that takes place inside our body. Water is important for various life processes like digestion, excretion, respiration. All our body processes takes place in the presence of water. Even the removal of waste materials are also takes place in the presence of water. Water also regulates and maintains body temperature. So these are the importance of water in our life. The next question is, how are living organisms dependent on the soil? Are organisms that live in water totally dependent of soil as a resource? And the answer is, living organisms are dependent on soil. We know that living organisms are dependent on soil. As soil is an important natural resource, soil provides nutrients and minerals to plants. Soil provides nutrients and minerals to the plants. From them, these nutrients and minerals are transferred to the herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous through the food chain. Fine. Soil provides nutrients and minerals to plants, and from them these minerals and nutrients are transferred to the herbivorous, carnivorous. These minerals and nutrients are transferred to the herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous through the food chain. So the soil is important, and the aquatic organisms also derive these nutrients from the soil of water bodies. The next question says, you have seen weather reports on television and in newspaper. How do you think we are able to predict the weather? So modern techniques or equipments have been discovered. Different type of modern and new equipments and techniques have been discovered that records low and high pressure, dryness of the weather, wetness of air, cyclone, etc. can be predicted by the different modern techniques. And meteorological department also analyze the weather related information, and these information are then transmitted on radio, television, newspaper, etc. The next question says, we know that many human activities lead to increasing level of pollution of the air, water bodies and soil. Do you think that isolating these activities to specific and limited areas would help in reducing pollution? Of course, human beings are responsible for all this pollution. Human activities are main reason for different types of pollutions, and by limiting their activities we can control over different type of pollutions. The next question is, write a note on how forest influence the quality of our air, soil and water resources. So the answer is influence of forest in quality of air. As forest balances the percentage of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the atmosphere. As this carbon dioxide is utilized by the plants for the process of photosynthesis, and this oxygen is utilized by the all living organisms for the process of respiration. The influence of forest on soil, recycling of nutrients in the form of different nutrients in biogeochemical cycle balances the percentage of nutrients in the atmosphere. And this soil also, forest also prevent soil erosion. We have discussed already what is soil erosion, and this soil erosion can be prevented by the forest, as the plant, the root of plants holds the soil, so it prevents soil erosion. Next, the influence of forest on water. So this forest helps in increasing rain, and thus it also influences the water. So this is all about the exercise questions that are given at the end of the chapter. Thank you.